Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore the simplest methods for removing formulas in Excel. First, we'll look at how to remove a formula from a selected range, such as a specific column. Then, we'll discuss how to completely eliminate a formula from the entire spreadsheet. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Joanne, and on behalf of the Sheet Leveler team, I'd like to welcome you to Sheet Leveler. Our goal is to help you learn how to use Excel quickly and easily through our straightforward video tutorials. To remove a formula from a specific area, we first need to select that section of the spreadsheet. In this example, column G and row 11 contain formulas. To eliminate the formulas in just column G, we must highlight that column first. You can also select the entire data table or any specific section of the spreadsheet. Now, since we want to remove formulas only from column G, we will select that column. Once the area is selected, right-click and choose Copy. With your cursor still in the selected area, right-click again. Next, find Paste Values under the Paste Special options and click on it. And just like that, column G now contains only values, with no formulas left. Removing all formulas from the entire spreadsheet is equally simple. Click on the top left corner of the spreadsheet to select the whole area and then repeat the same steps. Right-click on the spreadsheet and select Copy. Keep your cursor in the selected area, right-click again, navigate to Paste Special and choose Paste Values. And that's it. All formulas have been removed and there are none left in the spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.